Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Pinterest pin for new Shopify product. So suppose we want to promote our Shopify product, and for that our objective is that whenever we are going to launch or create a new product in our Shopify account, then automatically by using that detail of our product, we are going to create a new pin in our Pinterest account. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Shopify and Pinterest. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. So with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to create a new product in Shopify, then automatically I'm going to create a pin in Pinterest. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And if you are running a Shopify store and looking to boost your product's visibility, then Pinterest can be a game changer. In today's video, I will be sharing a pro tip on how to create a Pinterest pin for your new Shopify product. So Pinterest is not just a social media platform, it is also a powerful search engine that millions of people use to discover new products and ideas. So by creating compelling pins, you can drive traffic directly to your Shopify store and increase your sales. So here my objective is that whenever we are going to launch or create a new product in our Shopify account, then automatically we will create a new pin on our Pinterest account, and all this is possible to do automatically is by using Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection between Shopify and Pinterest, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here what we want to do is we want to create a new workflow. For that, I need to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Pinterest pin for new Shopify product. And now what I need to do is I need to click on create, and it will take us to this window, and this is our workflow. So here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Shopify. So I'm going to select Shopify here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. And new product will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Shopify with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now I will go back to my Shopify account. Here I need to go to settings. And in settings, what I need to do is I need to go to notifications. So I'm going to open that. And here in notification, I have this option of webhooks. So I'm going to open this. And here in webhooks, I need to create a new webhook. So I'm going to click here on this create webhook button. And first I need to select my event. So I'm going to open this tab, and product creation will be my event. So I'm going to select this. And my format will be of JSON, and in the URL section, what I need to do is I need to paste that webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to select my API version. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select this latest version. So I'm going to select this, and I need to click on save. So here I have successfully saved my webhook, and I have added this webhook in my Shopify account. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how we are going to get this webhook response? For that, we need to create a new product in our Shopify account. So for creating a new product, I need to go back to Shopify. I will go back, and here I will go to products. And here in product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this add product button. And here I have to fill all these details to create a new product. So here I have to give the title of my product. So my title will be polo t-shirts. Now I have to give the description. So my description will be all weather polo t-shirt with vibrant colors. So this is going to be my description, and now I need to upload the photo or the image of my product. So I'm going to click here on this upload now button, and here this is the image of my product. So I'm going to select this, and I have uploaded my image. Now what I need to do is I need to set up my pricing. So here my price will be of 350 rupees. My cost per item will be of 300 and my profit will be of 50. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I have filled all these details. So I'm going to click on save, and here we can see I have added this product automatically on my Shopify account. Now I'm going to go back to products, and here we can see I have this new active product on my Shopify account. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have all the detail of my product. So here this is my product ID. I have the price, that is 350 rupees. I have the title of my product, that is polo t-shirt. I have the status, that is active. Also in this I have this image src. So this is the image URL of my product, and here this is my description. So my description is all weather polo t-shirt with vibrant colors. So here I have received all these details of my product. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and by using all these details I'm going to automatically create a pin in my Pinterest account. So before creating a pin, what I can see is that I'm getting my description with all the HTML tags. So what I need to do is I need to remove these HTML tags so that I can use this description without any HTML tag for creating a new pin. So for removing all these HTML tags, what I need to do is I need to set up Actions tab. And here I need to use a tool that Pabbly offers, that will be Data Transformer by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Data Transformer. And now I need to select my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and strip HTML tags will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Data Transformer by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect, and now I need to give the encoded string. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the description of my product that I'm going to receive as a response from Shopify. So I'm going to use that description response, and I'm going to map that here, and for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Shopify, and here this is my description. So I'm going to map this, and now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Attach to Query button, and here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have my result, and I have my description without any HTML tag. So here this is my description, that is all weather polo t-shirts with vibrant colors. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and I need to create a new pin on my Pinterest account. So for that what I need to do is I need to add my last sections tab, and here my action application is going to be Pinterest. So I'm going to select Pinterest here, and now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create pin will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to connect Pinterest with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will click on connect with Pinterest. Now here I need to click on give access, and I have successfully connected Pinterest with Pabbly Connect. Now first, before creating a pin, what I need to do is I need to select my board where I want to create this pin. So for selecting the board, I need to take you to my Pinterest account. And here on Pinterest, I'm going to use this board of Shopify products. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my board, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the boards that I have in my Pinterest account. So I'm going to use this board of Shopify products. And now what I need to do is I need to give the image URL of my pin. So for that, I'm going to use the image of my product that I've created on my Shopify account. So I'm going to give the image URL of my product here. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Shopify. And here this is my image URL. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to give the title. So I'm going to use the title of my product. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Shopify. And here this is my product title. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to give the description. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Data Transformer. And here this is the description of my product. So I'm going to map this. and here these are going to be my details. So here I have mapped all the required details. So as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So here what is going to happen is that as I'm going to create a new product in my Shopify account, then automatically I'm going to receive a new response of the new product from Shopify. And as I'm going to get the new data of the new product, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new data in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Toolkit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new pin on my Pinterest account. Now to check this, let me take you to Pinterest. I'm going to refresh this. And here this is my board of Shopify products. So I'm going to open this. And in this board, we can see I have created this new pin. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my pin for my product of polo t-shirt. So this is my image URL and this is the image of my product. And also in this, I have my title, that is polo t-shirt, and this is my description, that is all weather polo t-shirts with vibrant colors. So here we can see that this was the product that I've created on my Shopify account, and by using all the detail of my Shopify product, I've created this new pin on my Pinterest account. So like this, I can create more engagement for my Shopify product by creating these pins on Pinterest for my new Shopify products. So here my connection between Shopify and Pinterest is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to launch or create a new product on my Shopify account, then automatically by using all those details of my product, I'm going to create a new pin on my Pinterest account with all the detail of my Shopify product. So here I have successfully created this automation and connection between Shopify and Pinterest for automatically creating pins on Pinterest for new Shopify products. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And by using Pabbly Connect, we have created this automation for creating Pinterest pin for new Shopify product. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Shopify and my trigger event was new product. Then I have set up my actions tab, and first I have used data transformer by Pabbly to strip down HTML tags from my product description. And in the last, I have used Pinterest as my action application, and my action event was create pin. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.